Hi guys, I thought I would nip on and show you that the £10 light from Toolstation, it kind of worked, but the seedlings were getting a bit leggy, so I've started them again and I put them in 2 days ago. But what I have done is purchased a new grow light. I don't know if you can see it, might be a bit bright. It's a Gaspin T5 LED grow light, costs 40 quid on Amazon. Doddle to hang up, put together. What I will show you is this. This is a couple of lettuces, and since I put the light up, which was not last night but the night before, which would have been the 26th of January, it started, they look 100% better. So I'm hoping that the light is going to work. I don't know if it will, but I'm trying it out. These are some Epicure Ayrshire potatoes that I had. I'm trying to chip them off, or I'm going to put them up in the windowsill to chip them off to get them in for some early potatoes. And these are the new seeds. We've got some cabbage coming up, I don't know if you can see that just there, and we've got some broccoli starting to come up. We've got some sweet peas in the background, tall variety, dwarf variety. I've got some dwarf French beans in here. There's lettuce and comfrey behind this, and I've got butternut squash seeds on paper towel in a bag, the same as those ones. And that's about it for the update. I'll get back to you, let you know how good this light actually works. Hopefully within the next couple of days, if you see some more true leaves coming on these seeds, we'll ken that it's working better than the previous one. Okay guys, hope you're all safe, and I hope you keep safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.